Here's the foyer entrance. Lots of opportunity here. You could definitely make this extra living square footage. All right. Obviously, investors will understand that that means more profit. All right, so you look at this area, the ground is flat, feels fine. Here's a nice kitchen. The cabinets are in great shape for this price point. This property is gonna fly off the shelf. All right, you already got nice lighting up. Floors are good. Here we see a nice wide hallway with a closet. Inspection happening now. So there's that area. On this side, one of the bedrooms. And then here's another nice bedroom. See, the reason I say this nice, look at the walls. You don't see holes and all kind of mess all in them. You see nice fixtures. This is almost turnkey ready. The doors are even fine. Let's see if this door closes properly. Investors, you know the sound of that. That's the sound of money, all right? And lastly, this is the laundry area. You're gonna have to do a little bit of work in here or just, well, we're doing the inspection right now. Anyway, serious buyers, give us a shout. We need to see those proof of funds immediately to be considered and put an offer in on this property. All right, I think I showed y'all the good stuff on the inside. The outside, I'll do a quick walk through there. And be sure to like and subscribe. You're not getting this kind of content anywhere. Like and subscribe. Here's the exterior for 1478 West 23rd Street. All right, it's a block home. Sure, these are the original windows. And as we continue to walk this, all I'm seeing is opportunity here in terms of just maybe upgrading windows if I'm gonna keep it for a while, or pressure washing to put some sparkle on the exterior, more lighting. This is a really nice sized yard. I didn't even mention that this property is fully fenced all the way around for you folks that might have some K9 friends that you want to run around the yard. They'd be all the way safe in here. There's the secondary exit along with the PVC plumbing. No meter what to do, the power and water are on. All right, so give me a shout if you're interested. Last thing I'm gonna show real quick is the roof. Since the owner took the time to give you a new roof, I'm gonna climb on the ladder for you to see it for yourself. All right, give us a call.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thank you.